Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use camera pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S25. First you just need to open your camera, then go to the more section where you'll find pro, and this is actually the pro mode of camera, and from here you'll find 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 options that can help you to take a professional photo from your Samsung Galaxy S25, and it's pretty useful. You just need to practice more and more to get up or capture a perfect photo with these elements, and you must need to learn how to use them. You just need to practice with them, and you can set these settings according to the environment and the color and the brightness and the situation. So here the first one is ISO. ISO sets the camera sensitivity to light. Use a low ISO in bright environments to reduce graininess, grain-ins, and in low light use a higher ISO to increase brightness. Setting the ISO too high can cause grain-ins. So make sure that you just decrease it to get a higher brightness in the bright area. And in speed you can just shutter speed controls how long the shutter stays open. Use low values to capture moving subjects without blurring. It will help you a lot to capture the moving subjects with a motion blur, and it won't blur the object or the subject that you are capturing. Now in the EV means the exposure controls how bright your picture are. Higher values are brighter, but setting the EV too high can make picture look faded. So be aware of this caution. From here, the focus is autofocus quickly. Here you can find the autofocus also. This is actually the autofocus also. You can set is for center, multi or manual. Now from here, this is actually the WB, mean white balance, helps you to make colors look natural in any light. So it could be bright area or it could be low brightness area. So the higher value make colors warmer and more orange, and lower value makes color more cooler and bluer. So it will adjust your temperature of this photo capturing. So that's how you can just capture a photo. From here you can go with 12 megapixel or 15 megapixel camera. You can tap on it and change it. You can tap on this flash icon to enable flash on it. Now here you can just go with this zebra pattern or false color. If you tap on it, then you will get this zebra pattern. From here, let me show you. Zebra pattern. The zebra pattern exposure monitor highlights overexposed area in the preview with zebra stripes. You can adjust the IRE value to control the brightness sensitivity with for your preferred exposure level. So you can get the information from this icon from here. And the false color, you can adjust a solid color with that environment. You can get it from here. For example, false color, the false color exposure monitors use colors to show exposure levels in the preview. Green means the area is properly exposed, red and yellow means it's overexposed, and blue and magenta means it's underexposed. So just because of this is actually a dark surface, that's why it's showing the magenta color from here. It is unexposed actually, that's why it's showing the magenta color from here. This is actually pretty all of the settings from here, and this is the ultra wide, and this is wide, and this is the super telephoto mode that you can use in your camera pro mode. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.